In August 2024, the UK immigration system underwent substantial changes, including the introduction of the points-based system PBS for migrant visas. This system is designed to streamline the immigration process and ensure that those coming to the UK meet specific criteria. One important aspect of the PBS is the family member of a PBS migrant visa, which allows partners and children of PBS migrants to join them in the UK. In today's video, we'll delve into the eligibility requirements, application process, and key details about this visa category. But before we begin, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Now pay close attention. Understanding the family member of a PBS migrant visa. The family member of a PBS migrant visa enables individuals who are related to a PBS migrant to enter and remain in the UK. Eligible relationships include spouses, civil partners, unmarried partners, same-sex partners, and children under the age of 18 at the time of application. Eligibility requirements for partners. To qualify as a partner of a PBS migrant, you must meet the following criteria. 1. Age requirement. You must be over 18 years old. 2. Relationship status. You need to be the spouse, civil partner, unmarried partner, or same-sex partner of a PBS migrant who has valid leave to remain, is being granted leave alongside you, or has settled status indefinite leave to remain or British citizenship. 3. Duration of relationship. If you are an unmarried or same-sex partner, you must have been living together in a relationship akin to marriage or civil partnership for at least 2 years. 4. Intention to live together. You must intend to live together with the PBS migrant throughout their stay in the UK. 5. No intent to overstay. You should not plan to remain in the UK beyond the duration of the PBS migrant's leave. 6. Financial requirements. You must meet certain maintenance fund requirements, unless the PBS migrant is a Tier 1 investor. 7. Previous visa status. If applying for leave to remain, you cannot have last entered as a visitor, short-term student, or temporary release. 8. Criminal record certificate. If you are applying as a partner of a Tier 1 investor or entrepreneur, you must provide a criminal record certificate from relevant authorities for any country you've been in for 12 months or more in the past decade. Eligibility requirements for children. To qualify as a child of a PBS migrant, you must meet these criteria. 1. Relationship. You must be the child of a PBS migrant who is either currently in the UK or being granted leave at the same time. 2. Age. You must be under 18 at the time of application, unless you're applying for leave to remain as a child of a PBS migrant. 3. Independence. You should not be married or in a civil partnership and must not have formed an independent family unit. 4. No intent to overstay. Similar to partners, you should not plan to stay in the UK beyond the PBS migrant's leave. 5. Parental status. Both parents must be lawfully present in the UK, unless specific circumstances apply. 6. Financial requirements. You must meet the maintenance funds requirement, unless the PBS migrant is a Tier 1 investor. How to apply. Applying for a family member of a PBS migrant visa involves several steps. 1. Gather documentation. Collect all necessary documents, including proof of relationship, financial stability, and identity. 2. Complete the application. Fill out the appropriate visa application form online. 3. Pay the fees. Submit the application fee as well as the immigration health surcharge if applicable. 4. Submit biometrics. You will need to provide biometric information at a local visa application center. 5. Await a decision. After submission, you will receive a decision within a specific time frame, depending on your location. Key points to remember. If your application is successful, you will generally be granted leave that aligns with the PBS migrant's visa expiry date. If the PBS migrant has indefinite leave to remain, you will typically receive a 3-year leave, with the option to apply for further leave if needed. Moreover, if the main migrant changes their employer or educational institution, PBS dependents can remain in the UK for the duration of their existing visa. Finally, partners of PBS migrants granted leave since January 11, 2018 must meet a 180-day residence requirement when applying for indefinite leave to remain, while children over 18 who have not previously been granted leave cannot apply in this category. The family member of a PBS migrant visa is an essential pathway for partners and children to join their loved ones in the UK. As immigration rules continue to evolve, it's crucial to stay informed about the requirements and ensure all criteria are met for a successful application. If you have any questions or need assistance, consider consulting an immigration lawyer for expert advice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on UK immigration policies. See you next time.